Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Friday, July 11th, and we've got a really light day for forexfactory.com news. You can see here 8:30. All there is Canadian numbers, which obviously aren't worried about if you're a U.S. markets person. 2 p.m. though, we have the federal budget balance, and that's all we have as scheduled news. Of course, we can have all kinds of tariff news, Trump tweets, all of that can still happen in real time during the day. So you always want to be aware of what's going on in the news. Looking at the charts, you can see that this could be a potential M pattern as we have a very small double top here. We came and hit the yesterday's all-time high, backed off just a little bit, and now we are gapping down. So we may have a M pattern that is developing here. If it breaks the bottom part of the M here, then would technically be an M, and it would be saying price could be coming down. We're definitely chopping sideways at the minimum is chopping sideways, so we'll just have to wait and see. Volume was yesterday. Yeah, whatever. Simple. You can see that since May, we've just had this really lame volume, and it continues to be that way, which is weird because at all-time highs, you want to see an all-time high draw in more buyers, and we're just not seeing that. So, not too great. Looking at the inventory, we had positive price action day and we had positive inventory. So those two are correlated. Nothing to write home about there. Moving on, looking at the overnight action now, we got 54 points overnight. So that's more than we've been seeing over the last week or so, averaging around 20 to 25, maybe 30. Now we're at 54 overnight. This could be related to the fact that after hours yesterday evening, Trump announced additional tariffs on Canada, as well as other. There was a whole tariff thing that happened around 8 p.m. yesterday evening, and oh, you can see it right here. Right there is where that tariff discussion happened, and the market kind of did not like it. And that's right at, no, that's at 10 p.m., 8 p.m., whatever that time is. it's uh, that's when it happened. I think it was around 8 p.m. uh, that being said, what else is going on? Okay, so where's support and resistance? So obviously the all-time highs are up in here. So everything above here is guesstimation. Okay, so what do we have guesstimation wise? Obviously the 6330-ish. Then we have 6347. Probably the whole number there, right around 6350. It will be a number. 6380 is another whole number that likes to come up. 6373. If we get above 6380, then it's on to 6400. Resistance, or I should say support, is certainly got support underneath. So where is that? It looks like there's some confluence around 62, 66, 6250-ish. Below that, 6233. You got some more confluence down here around the 6220. 6210, of course, 6200 will be the whole number. So those are some support and resistance numbers for you today. Stock Trader's Almanac is 71.4% chance the market will be up. This is very high. We very rarely have a number that's greater than 70%, but a 71.4% chance the market will be up today on Friday. So we will have to see how that all pans out. Hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys Monday. Happy trading.
Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.